Tell me what happened, or I'll let you go.
뺑소니를 당한 한 남자와
Tell the truth, Tom.
Tell me the truth.
Tell me the truth.
환영을 보다 발작을 일으키는 남자.
I said no!
총을 맞아 쓰러지는 남자까지. 이들의 목숨을 위협하는 그날의 진실은 대체 무엇일까요? 축구의 열기로 뜨거운 1996년 스코틀랜드의 작은 마을.
Alex, Jimbo, do you want to get me your life? Hey, I'll get rid of it quickly. Whoa, that Rosie, yeah. Well, class.
마을에서 가장 예쁘다고 소문난 펍 종업원 로지 더프에게
Hello, beautiful. I want you. Right, so you're gonna go tonight. Rosie, that's where we'll be.
계속해서 추파를 던지던 새 청년.
You mind if I pop out?
You got to meet him.
I'll be back before you close up. Well, if there's trouble, call the police. We're on table 9.
그들은 어딘가로 로지를 몰래 불러내는데, 그리고 그날 새벽
We tried to help her.
Help who?
We found her. We didn't do it.
피투성이가 된 채로 경찰차를 막아서 청년.
Quebec Sierra 5-3. Urgent assistance needed.
Rosie.
그곳에는 이미 싸늘한 시신이 되어버린 로지가 있었죠. 요즘 사생활 보호 필름 많이 쓰시는데 폰에서도 내 사생활을 보호하고 싶다면 테라박스 영상 플레이어.
그냥 다음에
아, 괜찮아요.
시청 도중에 간단하게 켤 수 있는 시크릿 모드로 시청 기록이 남지 않고 알고리즘의 영향에서도 자유로운 프라이버시 보호막 기능. 자막이 없는 해외 영상도 클릭 한 번으로 순식간에 AI 자막을 생성해 바로 이해 가능합니다.
They can't imagine that someone like me would ever get inside their house.
화질과 속도 조절까지 원하는 대로 사용할 수 있는 테라박스 영상 플레이어. 구글 플레이 1억 회 이상 다운로드된 테라박스로 1테라 무료 용량과 함께 지금 바로 사용해보세요. 25년이라는 시간이 흐른 뒤
I'm walking amongst the ruins of an old cathedral. It's picturesque, like most of St Andrews, but I'm trying to imagine something much darker and more devastating. Because on the 27th of June, 1996, Rosemary Duff was left to bleed out into the grass.
미제 사건으로 남은 로지 사건을 소개하는 팟캐스트 방송이 진행되고
I'm Belle Richmond. This is Echoes, the Rosie Duff case.
This is what passes for journalism now, is it?
이 방송이 화제가 되면서 재수사의 압박을 받은 스코틀랜드 경찰은 특별 수사팀을 꾸리게 되는데
I think it would help the optics if it was a female officer.
아직은 단순 사건만 담당하던 카렌 피리 형사와 그녀의 오랜 파트너인 필 파르하트카 형사.
Tracy, we're just here to get your witness statement.
Wait, you don't remember it? Hey, you hear Serious Crime are putting together a case review team. Oh, I've been waiting for this kind of opening.
필은 재조사팀을 맡아서 출세하겠다는 목표를 갖고 있었고
You're an arsehole.
I think you like it.
카렌은 그의 꿈을 응원하고 있었지만
D.S. Perry. Wow. Just surprised really.
Is that Robertson?
D.I. Lee's. I'm running the review.
재조사팀은 필이 아닌 카렌이 맡게 되었고
I'm sorry.
Don't.
I don't understand this.
It's fine.
필은 큰 충격을 받게 되죠.
I need some air.
I don't have a clue what I'm doing.
Just pretend you do.
복잡하고 불편한 심정으로 새로운 사무실에 들어온 카렌은
Yes, Perry. D.I. Lees, we haven't got time to waste on this. Mint! Mint!
정신없이 새 팀원까지 소개받고
Murray, mints. Oh, well, I get one.
You've already got one. I don't think it was you, actually. Is it the incident room?
곧바로 수사에 착수하는데
Who was at the crime scene? What was at the crime scene?
Come over here where I can see you.
Still warm.
I'm a medical student. Can I help?
현장에 있던 청년들은 이미 사망한 로지를 발견했다고 주장했지만
detain them, Jimmy.
경찰은 그들을 용의자로 판단했습니다.
She was strangled by hand, but it was the stomach wound that killed her. Would have taken 20 minutes, maybe more.
로지를 죽인 흉기는 결국 발견되지 않았고
If you want to get rid of a body, you bury it. They found fibers from the interior carpet of a car.
They moved the body.
그녀가 범행을 당한 장소도 특정하지 못했는데
95 for the murder of Rosie Duff.
Oh, you don't understand. We found her.
Wait, what are you doing?
사건을 해결할 유일한 단서인 새 청년은
We didn't see her tonight. We don't know her. Okay?
Didn't see her. Don't know her.
무언가 숨기는 것이 있는 듯했죠.
Sigmund Malcolm. It's Ziggy.
Oh, I'm Detective Inspector McLennan. This is Detective Sergeant Lawson.
We watched the match.
구금된 청년들을 대상으로 신문이 시작되고
And did you see her there?
I've ordered drinks from her.
So you knew her?
No.
Where'd you go?
To a party.
And where was this party?
위어드라고도 불리던 톰은 무언가에 취한 상태였는데
You want something, Tom?
No.
Was this party at Scooney Hill Lane? At this address?
He seems to think it happened at the party.
Old, dilapidated.
I think that at the pub, you invited her to the party.
No, she never came.
So you did invite her?
But she didn't turn up.
경찰은 로지를 파티에 초대했던 지기를 집요하게 압박해보지만
You sleeping with her?
No.
Why did you kill her, Ziggy? Hands went up to her neck.
No, I swear.
Must have wound you up somehow.
No! I didn't know her. I didn't see her.
지기는 끝까지 혐의를 부인합니다.
They interviewed everyone, and nobody saw her.
지금까지 밝혀진 로지의 마지막 행적은 누군가를 만나기 위해 펍을 빠져나갔던 것뿐.
Probably her brothers, Colin and Brian Duff, both extremely protective.
Did she have sex?
Nothing definitive. Look below. She has a cesarean scar across her lower stomach.
Rosie had a baby.
유력한 용의자가 될 수 있는 전 남자친구이자 아이의 아버지에 대해서는 조사된 것이 전혀 없었고
Yeah, we'll go and see the Duffs tomorrow.
우선은 유가족을 만나기로 하는데
I'm sorry. I've been trying to find the right words.
다시 돌아온 필과 카렌 사이에선 어색한 분위기가 감돌고
I get it now. It should be you on this job. It's right that it's you. Just what you know with the podcast, all the accusations she's making out against the police about gender violence, and you know, it's appropriate.
Are you saying they put me on this because I'm a woman?
Stop.
And that you've all been talking about it?
그제야 자신이 사건을 맡은 이유를 알게 된 카렌은 크게 화를 내며 자리를 뜨죠.
Was it PC Janice Hogg married Colin Duff in 2001?
PC Hogg is in from this investigation.
Small towns are small towns.
로지의 오빠인 콜린과 브라이언을 만나러 간 카렌은
Oh, no.
May we come in?
They're taking it seriously then. Giving it to some kids.
I'm sorry, Archie.
Thinking about Eileen. Lost her baby.
We've detained 3 people for questioning.
Who? If you don't, we'll find out somehow.
조심스레 그날의 기억을 묻는데
You're going to make us go through all this again. Started in the pub, both of us. She left at some point and
Brian went off with some girl. When the pub emptied out, that's when I noticed she wasn't there. We have to.
I fell asleep in this girl's bed. Every day I wish she had me.
슬픔과 죄책감이 여전히 가족들을 괴롭히고 있었고
Wait, you know all this? It's in the files. It's been there for 25 years.
Did Rosie have a child?
Don't see how this is relevant.
아이 이야기에는 크게 화를 내기까지.
Yes, Pity. The baby didn't survive. The father was a local boy, John Stobie. He was at university somewhere, I think.
다행히 전직 경찰인 제니스가 제공한 정보로
Call Register House, will you? And see if you can track down John Stobie.
Sorry, just wait for my heart rate to come down.
수사에도 진전이 생깁니다.
Dr. Markovich.
다음으로는 용의자 중 한 명이자 이제는 의사가 된 지기를 만나보지만
I know what I'm doing in there. I don't really have to talk to you. This is just a courtesy.
I've been listening to your initial interview from 1996. Well, it's been a long time.
Nothing's changed.
그는 그다지 협조적이지 않은 데다가
I've been speaking to the Duff brothers.
Well, you can immediately discount anything they have to say.
That's very convenient. They
더프
seem
형제에겐
pretty sure.
특히 반감이 심했는데
I'm gay, detective.
You have relationships with women? Rosie involved in that?
No.
결국 큰 소득 없이 그와 헤어져야 했죠.
Right, nothing incriminating in the student's house or the party house. And all three boys are maintaining their innocence. Release them, but we'll keep eyes on them.
증거를 찾지 못해 세 사람을 풀어줘야 했던 그때처럼 이번에도 놓치고 마는 것일까?
Register House just sent over a birth certificate for Rosie's baby.
No, Dad. Zoom in to that part.
사망이 아닌 입양으로 기록된 로지의 아이.
But that means Rosie lied to everyone. T.S. Karen Perry.
Hi, John Stobie.
이번에는 아이의 아버지라고 했던 존 스토비를 만나보지만
From her brothers.
그는 로지와 아무런 사이도 아니었다고 말하는데
I just remember one day they were waiting outside school for me. They jumped me. Got her pregnant. I stayed far away from her after that.
그녀가 거짓말로 지키려고 했던 아이의 진짜 아버지는 누구일까요?
Sir, Rosie's baby.
Getting straight into it, I see.
보고를 위해 지미로 쓴 경감과 사이먼 리스 경위를 찾아온 카렌은
She was 15 when she got pregnant. He didn't want people finding out, judging her for being so young.
Why wouldn't you look into who the father was?
The family answered that for us.
Rosie told her family the baby died. We've checked. It was adopted.
아이의 친부를 찾아 용의선상에 올리려고 하지만
Why would she hide it? I'd like to go to child services. Probably find the father.
Perry! We can't just go marching into people's lives, causing chaos.
리스 경위는 강력히 반대하고
Anything we do, any slip up,
It'll be.
podcasted and...
We have to tread gently. Have you considered the possibility that one of the students could have been the father?
I'll look into it, sir.
결국 허가를 받지 못하고 사무실을 나와야 했는데요.
Rosie lied about who the father of her baby was.
So you want to go to what'smyheritage.com?
That's what it's called.
하지만 카렌은 아이를 찾을 다른 방법을 떠올리고
Say you're adopted, like Rosie's child was. You'd probably be quite interested in finding out who your long-lost family were.
So you want to send Rosie's DNA in?
The only problem is they don't open up their databases to just anyone.
DNA를 이용해 가족을 찾아주는 사이트를 이용하기 위해 사이트 운영자와 썸을 탔던 친구를 설득하는데
Come on, take one for the team. Okay.
I mean, I do feel for you, this podcast lady.
과거 기자회견 영상이 논란을 일으키며 사건에 더 많은 관심이 쏠리게 된 것.
I would also advise against venturing outdoors alone after dark.
Your warning implies that it's up to the women of St Andrews to keep themselves safe. Can you reveal their names?
Not until they are charged. If anyone out there knows anything at all.
Apparently all the rooms have jacuzzi baths.
You looking for me?
Belle Richmond.
드디어 팟캐스트의 진행자인 벨 리치먼드를 직접 만난 카렌은
Oh, this is off the record, by the way.
Seems skeptical of the police on the podcast.
Well, I think the Duff family want them answered.
Very sure of your opinions.
그녀가 썩 마음에 들지는 않았지만
Until I came along. I'd like to help you. Track down friends of Rosie's.
Well, we'll take a look at all of that old evidence, would you?
No, of course not.
그녀의 정보력을 무시할 수는 없었고
Right.
I need to protect my sources. You won't be able to take any of it away with you. I'll have to supervise.
Mario, stay.
결국 민트가 남아 자료를 조사해 보기로 하죠.
We need to know what she has, so we can be one step ahead.
Oh, she's gonna grill me all day.
And you can't say a thing. Don't get in the jacuzzi bath.
The person you've called is not available.
Hi, Mr. Mackey. This is DS Karen Perry.
끈질기게 세 사람과 연락을 취하던 카렌은
It's DS Karen Perry here. You can find me on this number.
He's moving me up to murder squad.
It's great.
Sorry, KP.
필에 솔직한 사과를 받게 되고
Okay, Phil.
Have you got time for a drink?
No. Not really.
It's a bit sad.
I'll see you around.
미묘한 감정을 남긴 채 헤어지게 됩니다.
It's starting again.
재수사의 압박은 세 사람의 숨통을 조여오고
Because there's the internet. We need to do this differently this time. What do you mean by that? I think we need to tell them the truth.
No, not after all this time.
Eat!
지기는 늦게나마 진실을 밝히고 싶어 하지만
It won't really work in prison. I've got a baby on the way. It will pass.
Alex,
it will pass.
알렉스와 위어드는 생각이 다른 듯 했죠.
Were you better, Ziggy?
So why this case, anyway?
I went to St Andrews.
Why podcasting then?
It's just a really direct way of telling a story.
벨과 가벼운 대화를 나누던 민트는
Get me drunk, lock the door.
Oh, Another student.
See this?
Wait, what?
사진 한 장을 발견하고 급히 카렌에게 달려가는데
They lied. She was at the party with Ziggy. Another student. Bill didn't think they were useful.
바로 지기와 로지가 파티장에 함께 있는 사진이었습니다.
He's been lying all this time.
두 사람은 당장 지기를 잡으러 떠나고
Oh, you know, surgery ran over. No, you're not running now. Do you really think it's keeping you sane? But we're eating dinner together afterwards, though. No phones.
남편과의 가벼운 말다툼 이후 머리를 비우기 위해 달리기에 나선 지기는
But you must remember something about where you left it. Yeah, I'll go out the back. All right.
증거 중 하나였던 차를 숨기려고 했던 어느 밤
Cole, that was one of them. See, I told you. Come here. Come here.
로지의 오빠인 콜린에게 잡혔던 날을 떠올리는데
Did you go and meet Eugene?
I don't care anymore. Rosie's dead.
Tell me what happened, or I'll let you go.
Because I had you on the hair covered in blood!
No, I swear!
눈 깜짝할 새에 일어난 뺑소니 사고.
He's dead.
진실을 묻기도 전에 지기는 목숨을 잃고 맙니다.
Because whilst I'm pleased that the SPS are reinvestigating, I can't help but wonder why it's taken so long.
My main suspect is dead.
이 뺑소니가 절대 우연이 아니라고 본 카렌은
Well, you can take this stuff up to murder squad. Beautiful timing.
Dears Perry.
얼떨결에 필과 함께 사건을 수사하게 되는데
Good, good. Finley's got him on this, yeah?
Malkovich's husband's here.
What room? Paul?
Yeah.
어색한 분위기 속에서 시작된 인터뷰.
Did Ziggy ever talk to you about Rosie, though?
The worst night of his life.
Did he ever talk to you about the party? He invited her. And she came.
No?
지기의 남편에게서 단서를 캐내려던 카렌은
I don't know what.
We think someone might have killed Ziggy for revenge.
He had nothing to do with it. Do you know what happened to him? Her brothers.
로지의 오빠들이 지기를 진범으로 보고 사적인 복수를 했던 사실을 알게 되었죠.
Help me! Put that around you. Very happy to leave you down there. Shut up, Colin!
I've done you a big favour here. You do not tell a soul that this happened. And I mean it.
Phil, this is DC Murray, aka the Mint. Colin and Brian Duff.
과거에도 지기에게 복수를 했었다면 이번 뺑소니 역시 그들이 저지른 것일 수 있었고
Iona left Colin in the pub at 2:30 a.m. But he could have left at any point through the rear and then come back in later on.
So his alibi is not as strong as we thought. You're wondering if he's in the frame for Rosie too?
Multiple assaults on both the brothers' records.
그들이 범인일 가능성 역시 무시할 수 없는 상황. 우선은 그들의 알리바이부터 확인해 보기로 하는데요.
Do you mind telling us where you both were yesterday evening around 8 o'clock?
I was here. I was at the Red Lion.
I'm investigating the murder of Sigmund Malkovich.
We also have a report of a previous attack on Malkovich in 1996. Get revenge?
I wanted him to admit what he did.
Did he?
No.
형제는 그날의 범행을 순순히 인정하지만
Colin, your alibi for the time of Rosie's murder isn't solid.
I'd never hurt Rosie. We were all broken.
로지에 대한 혐의만은 격렬히 부정합니다.
Cliff Path, 9 p.m. And then it stops in June.
Sir, bag it up for me, will you?
누군가가 지속적으로 로지를 괴롭히고 있었던 것만은 확실했는데
I just can't square why'd kill his sister like that.
보고를 위해 로슨 경감을 찾은 카렌은
I read in the reports that at one point you were linking it to a murder in Brewery.
Strangled, stomach cut open, a very similar crime.
It was in the press a lot though, wasn't it? So the murderer could have heard about it to try and hang it on someone else.
그가 과거에 했던 수사에서 힌트를 얻지만
I think the Duff brothers are a dead end. Kill your sister that you're so protective over, and then risk police attention by throwing a kid down a dungeon and leaving him there.
이렇다 할 성과가 없었는데
Iona Khalil.
로지와 함께 일했던 아이오나를 만나 다시 한번 이야기를 들어보던 중
Funny kind of in love thing where you can't stop smiling to yourself.
So there was no breakup?
No.
And she never told you who it was?
No.
Do you recognise any of these men?
We all knew about them. Word spread. And Rosie had tried to shrug him off onto me.
Why?
He was quite intense.
위어드가 로지에게 관심이 많았다는 이야기도 듣게 되죠.
She wants Ziggy so bad. I've seen her looking. Piss off. I hate when he does that to me.
제멋대로인 행동으로 매번 지기에게 핀잔을 듣던 위어드는
Yeehaw, boys! Who's that? Professor Bat gave me another bad mark, so I stole his key. Hey, pussy, pussy. That's a boy.
You're the absolute worst.
지기의 죽음으로 더욱 불안정한 상태가 되고
Tom Weird, Mackie. Let's look at the evidence against them. The car.
카렌은 천천히 그의 행적을 따라가면서
The hair didn't have a root, so they couldn't pull a DNA profile from it.
We can do that now, right?
Maybe. And his story changes this time. Now he's been caught out.
Deal. I know the guy. He likes me. I was just.
그가 진술을 바꿨던 순간에 주목하는데
Time to tell the truth, Tom.
I was trying to drive it home, but we just got out and walked.
We found this in the car, Tom. Now that looks like one of Rosie's hares, doesn't it?
It's Dorothy's.
Because we've spoken to her, you know?
I drove her home, I think.
Why does he lie?
Maybe he genuinely doesn't remember.
Something he is desperately trying to hide.
위어드의 알리바이를 확인하기 위해서라도 머리카락의 DNA 검사가 필수적이었고
Hello, how you doing?
민트가 홀로 증거물들을 뒤지는 사이
We think we've got the car that hit Malkovich on CCTV. The plates are totally caked up with mud.
지기를 친 뺑소니 차량을 밝혀내는 것에는 실패합니다.
Later.
Mint.
Well, we've got the hair. It's just there's supposed to be 11 boxes of evidence. Right. But there's only 10.
What?
로지에 오시던 증거 박스가 통째로 사라져 버리기까지
Well, I'd have to go through every box in here.
I said find it!
뜻대로 풀리지 않는 수사에 괴로워하던 카렌에게
I have done you a huge favor. The What's My Heritage guy.
드디어 들려온 좋은 소식 하나.
And he wants to help.
Great.
새로운 용의자를 찾을 생각에
I will do it tomorrow.
카렌이 기뻐하는 사이 홀로 고생 중인 민트.
Found it yet?
Nope.
Keep looking.
Karen.
So you're friends with River?
Yeah. I won't implicate you or the site in any way. Could help us find a murderer. Someone who strangled a 19-year-old girl, cut her stomach open, and left her to die in a graveyard very slowly. We've been looking for them for 25 years.
사이트 운영자를 설득하는데 성공한 카렌은 마침내
What does have a match on the database?
Is there any family on the father's side?
No. Grace.
Grace Galloway.
로지의 딸을 찾아내고
Trust you to catch me on a break.
밤새 고생한 민트를 찾아온 카렌은
Nothing.
This cannot get out.
Aye.
Have you got Weird's clothes from the night of?
사라진 증거 대신 다른 것들을 우선 확인하려고 하던 그때
There are 2 cardigans here. It's Rosie's.
Oh, I'm gonna hug you now, man.
다른 상자에 들어가 있던 로지의 옷도 무사히 찾아냅니다.
D.S. Karen Perry.
Grace.
It was my parents, obviously.
다음날 직접 만나본 로지의 딸 그레이스는
I found out last year.
I got in touch with Child Services and they told me that my birth mother was murdered.
이미 로지에 대해 알고 있었고
Did you ever find out anything about your birth father?
You think he might have killed her?
If he's ever been processed by the police, then he'll be on it. If we don't find anything, then there's
I'll come in.
친아버지를 찾는 것에도 동의하죠.
Sir, you want to see me?
I think they've reopened the case in name only.
용의자로 몰린 것에 화가 난 더프 형제가 팟캐스트에 출연하면서 경찰의 이미지는 더욱 곤두박질친 상황.
Sir,
This is exactly what we didn't want to happen.
I have made progress elsewhere. I found Rosie Duff's daughter.
You have sabotaged this case.
리스 경위는 마구잡이식이 카렌의 수사에 크게 화를 내고
I agree with everything Tia Lisa said, but this is your first murder case. You run everything by us from now on.
Won't happen again, sir. What was my nickname?
카렌은 자신을 따라다니던 뒷담에 대해서도 알게 되는데요.
Ticker. Box.
Because I ticked the bloody women box!
어쨌든 계속된 수사에 과거 위어드와 밤을 보냈던 도로시를 만난 카렌.
You want to talk about that night? It's things I should have said a long time ago.
도로시는 숨겨두고 있던 그날 밤의 이야기를 꺼내놓는데
You wanna go get some more, Rosie?
Who's Rosie?
그녀는 위어드와 함께 취한 채로 도로를 질주했고
Weird wanted to get some acid and go to the cathedral. When we got there, Weird realised he didn't have any money on him. I got out the car. This isn't what you told the police. My parents are very religious.
첫 진술과 달리 그녀는 위어드와 계속 함께 있진 않았던 것.
Right around the time Rosie was killed. I know.
위어드의 알리바이가 거짓이라는 걸 확인한 순간 때마침 알렉스가 먼저 연락을 해오는데
We know Rosie was at the party. Alex, who was she there to see?
I don't know.
She's changed her story. He was out and about by himself for around an hour. When did you next see Weird? That night.
하지만 로지가 죽던 날에 대해서는 완전히 입을 다물어 버렸고
Help walk him home.
Through the cathedral.
He wanted to.
Maybe it was to ascertain whether he just imagined what had happened with Rosie, or if it was real. Maybe Ziggy knew. Did you ever see him have a bad trip?
Once or twice. Started seeing things. Things that weren't there.
And what would happen then?
Think that they were attacking him.
위어드가 최근 헛것을 본다는 사실만 알려주죠.
They've managed to pull a DNA profile. The skin cells were found in the hair shaft itself. Turns it's Rosie's.
위어드의 차에서 발견된 머리카락이 로지의 것으로 밝혀지며
This is our in.
Tom Lackey.
드디어 실질적인 증거를 잡은 카렌은 즉시 위어드의 집으로 달려갑니다.
I saw someone in my back garden.
그는 누군가 자신을 스토킹하고 있다고 생각하고 있었는데
Medium size, black.
Where were you 3 nights ago, Mr. Mackey?
I was here on my own.
I'm investigating the Rosie Duff case.
I ruined my life once.
무혐의로 풀려난 이후에도 의심에 가득 찬 시선이 그를 따라다녔고
Justice for Rosie. You should not be allowed back on campus.
Well, then a group of us won't be comfortable staying.
Wait.
He should have been suspended.
No, you cannot do what? Tom!
I think you should take this period to concentrate on yourself.
그건 너무나 괴로운 경험이었죠.
There needs to be some consequences.
You don't think I'm feeling some consequences?
I'm not saying anything.
I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask you to report to the station tomorrow.
Get out of my house.
결국 다시 용의자가 된 위어드. 며칠 전부터 인터넷에서 세 사람의 신상이 돌아다녔다는 게 뒤늦게 밝혀지고
She's been using aliases, but they've decoded them.
So this means Ziggy's killer could be anyone.
What?
Stop! Just get in!
I have to give some detail, otherwise it's vague. It's not.
Entertaining. Ziggy Malkovich is dead.
You cannot write about it, and if you dare tweet about it...
Of course, now he's deceased, I can name him. Legally.
If you want any cooperation from the police at all, you will ensure the offending posts are taken down. You will issue an update to remind your listeners never to identify suspects online, and you will start to show us some respect.
Understood?
청취자들을 단속하도록 배를 압박하는 한편
I'm thinking about putting a call out for witnesses. As for eyewitnesses, from the early hours of the 27th of June.
그녀의 팟캐스트 영향력을 이용해 새로운 목격자를 찾으려고 하는데
That was good.
필과의 관계도 무사히 회복되는 것 같았죠. 괴로움을 잊기 위해 취한 상태로 밤을 보내던 과거의 위어드는
Dorothy, why have you not called me back?
You're a mess.
I liked you. I like you. So I just thought, please.
Please, just don't beg.
달라진 주변의 시선을 점점 견디기 힘들어했고
Sir, there's something happening down by the castle.
한밤중의 절벽 위에서 소동을 벌이는데
You did this! No! No! No!
당시 사건을 담당하고 있던 맥레넌 경위가 그를 말리던 중 함께 차가운 물속으로 빠지고 말았고 그는 무사히 구조되었지만 맥레넌 경위가 목숨을 잃고 말았습니다.
My boss is dead because of you.
술에 취한 채 그날의 기억으로 괴로워하던 위어드는
Tell the truth, Tom.
Rosie.
Tell me the truth.
Tell me the truth.
약물로 인한 발작을 일으키는데
Hello?
Tom Mackey has overdosed.
Dead?
No.
소식을 듣고 황급히 위어드의 집으로 향한 카렌은
Some footprints in the grass and in the soil at the back.
We should have arrested him yesterday. Do you think we pushed him to this?
They're even self-inflicted. An overdose and a break-in at the same time.
그가 알렉스와 통화한 기록을 발견하고
Mint!
Just heard back from the lab. They found semen on the cuff of the cardigan.
Did they cross-check it with...
It's Alex Gilby's.
Okay, we're coming back now. It was Alex. She went to see the party.
로지와 알렉스가 단순한 사이가 아니었다는 증거까지 발견되면서
Alex Gilby, murder of Rosie Duff.
What? No, I can't leave. I've just
Do you
had a
understand?
baby.
We'll make sure your wife is okay.
알렉스의 긴급 체포가 이루어지고
What's happened?
Your friend has been admitted to hospital.
위어드의 소식도 뒤늦게나마 전해주는데
Is he okay?
We don't know yet.
Did you threaten Tom Mackey, Alex?
No.
You were worried to tell us about your relationship with Rosie. Do you recognise that cardigan, Alex? Masked. A small amount of male DNA on the cuff. And it's a match for you.
I didn't do anything to her.
가디건에서 나온 증거로 그를 압박하자
I was seeing her. It was a secretive thing.
드디어 진실을 말하는 알렉스.
But in public, she'd ignore me. It made me sad. Sticky knew.
지기는 알렉스를 위해 로지를 파티로 불렀고
I can't stay long. To do that?
I've got an idea.
It's not because I changed my mind. Never changed my mind about you.
Is there someone else?
No. I feel like maybe I just have to get out of here.
Are we on again? This feels like we're off.
I don't know.
Starting to think you're ashamed of me.
No, it's not that.
Say it's about your brothers. Because it feels kind of racist, you know?
You don't know them at all.
What else am I supposed to think?
Clear your eyes.
See? There you go again!
That was the last time I saw her.
말다툼을 벌인 뒤 홀로 파티장을 떠났던 것.
I wish I begged her to stay.
Why didn't you tell the police any of this?
Because we made a decision. You saw how the police treated me. He was scared for me.
Because of your race.
알렉스가 흑인이기 때문에 더 쉽게 범인으로 몰릴 수 있다는 걸 알고 있던 지기의 주도로 25년 동안 거짓말을 해왔던 것.
They've looked at the carpet fibers on a cardigan, but they still need a car to cross-check them with. They told me to check the International Car Carpet Database.
But there obviously isn't one.
Yeah, I know that now.
로지의 시신을 옮긴 차량을 알아낼 방법을 민트와 함께 고민해보던 중
And your girlfriend's here.
Champagne. The drink you're gonna buy me. Heard you made an arrest. Name for a name.
How about thank you?
Go to cry.
Oh, just text me a name and piss off.
Shush.
정말로 베레 팟캐스트에 목격자의 제보가 들어오는데요.
I was a taxi driver for 33 years.
It was about 2:15 in the morning, and I seen this girl on her own, which I thought was strange. And then it starts to rain. The heavens just open. So she pulls up her hood, and then a car pulls up beside her. It was a BMW.
택시 기사는 그날을 아주 생생하게 기억하고 있었는데
Why didn't you go to the police with this?
I did.
로지를 아는 듯한 운전자가 그녀와 대화를 나눈 뒤 그녀를 태우고 사라지는 걸 봤다는 것.
Pestering.
I wondered.
Ethnicity?
White? She put me onto an older guy.
D.I. Barney McLennan.
Uh-huh.
And the police never got back to you.
Figured it wasn't relevant.
목격자의 증언을 들었던 맥레넌 경위가 사망하면서 귀중한 정보가 잊혀버렸던 것이었죠.
Where is that, sir?
Loch Leven. I get away there fishing.
We found an eyewitness from the night of the murder.
Thought Barney'd taken it to the grave.
로승 영감 역시 그 소식을 크게 반가워하고
He saw a white man in a BMW.
Could have been Tom Mackey.
He was still in the Audi.
Could have stolen another motor to get back to the party.
로지의 가디건에서 나온 섬유를 BMW에 사용된 섬유와 비교해보기로 합니다.
Is that your dinner?
Just to keep the protein up.
New office rule. 1 egg a day. Oh, and check reports of stolen vehicles from the summer of 96. We have 12 hours.
No stolen BMWs that I could find.
그때 오래된 얼룩이라고 생각한 페인트 자국이 새로운 단서로 포착되고
It's not there in the photo forensic.
It happened after the party.
Second crime scene. David Soanes. He's like the paint guy, right?
He is the preeminent forensic specialist in paint, Karen.
You know him. You are surprisingly useful.
전문가에게 분석을 맡긴 뒤 미스 경위에게 진행 상황을 보고하는데
The fibers from her cardigan, they don't match the Audi, but they do match the carpet from a BMW. Murray's going to talk to the owners, but that may take a while.
Can we charge?
알렉스를 기소하려니 시간과 증거가 부족한 상황.
The kind of thing used on boats.
All right. Thanks, Shiv. I've got to go.
아주 적은 정보만을 가지고 마지막으로 알렉스를 신문하는데
That same part of the top had a streak of paint on it. You're an artist?
Graphic designer. I use computers.
Did Rosie come back to the house?
No, she never came to the house.
Was there a place that you two went together? A boathouse? Did anyone she know have one?
No, never.
The Audi. Did Tom steal any other cars that night? Did you know anyone that drove a BMW?
You know I didn't do it. Don't you?
We're still investigating all possibilities.
And all of this has just been a waste of time.
You've wasted our time, Alex.
25년이나 길어진 거짓말에 대해 카렌이 화를 내지만
I would have been charged for murder years ago if I'd been honest about Rosie and me. So I protected myself. And they protected me too.
We keep our promises.
We were young.
그들을 이해하지 못하는 건 아니었고
But who's to say that even if we told the truth, that it would make things better? Would that have been?
Thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Gilby. We're gonna release you.
결국 카렌의 손에는 그 어떤 용의자도 남지 않게 됩니다.
It wasn't them. There's always been someone else that really thought we had him.
She was meant to come in for a DNA test today, wasn't she? If you got a number I can get her on. She didn't show.
그레이스가 오지 않았다는 걸 뒤늦게 깨달은 카렌은 황급히 그레이스의 집으로 달려오고
My father's.
You need to store these securely.
Yeah, I was just locking it up. So you made an arrest? Surely I should know before Twitter does.
Sorry.
Who is it?
We arrested a man called Alex Gilby.
그녀에게 진행 상황을 공유하는데
Right.
알렉스를 풀어줬다는 말에 눈에 띄게 실망하던 그레이스는
My father? He doesn't know.
친부모를 찾는 일이 양부모에게 상처가 될까봐 망설이고 있었고
This could really help us.
Feels like the wrong thing to focus on to me.
카렌은 아무런 수학 없이 돌아가야 했죠.
This is so different from the old St Andrews police station.
이번엔 맥레넌 경위와 함께 수사를 진행했던 제니스를 불러 이야기를 나누는데
And he didn't write anything about it down.
당시 맥레넌이 목격자 정보를 공유하지 않았고
Well, Jimmy was trying to when I was moved off the case.
그가 사망한 후로 사건을 이어받은 로스는
Jimmy had an eye for me, I suppose. Jimmy was so desperate to move up in the world, so he was living in this tin can caravan in the garden.
Colin and I, we're old friends.
You've seen each other, right?
It won't get in the way of work.
I'm sorry, I've just done it.
No, Jimmy, come on.
That was your decision. You had other options.
사적인 감정 때문에 제니스를 수사에서 빼버린 데다가
He got another murder case through soon after. Solved it really quickly.
다른 사건을 처리하느라 로지 사건을 미뤘다는 것도 알게 됩니다.
Colin and Brian don't trust the police, but that's not your fault. It was ours.
잠들지 못하고 우는 아기를 달래기 위해 한밤중에 차를 끌고 나서 알렉스의 뒤로 정체불명의 차량이 따라붙는데
Hello?
Dominic!
총을 겨누며 다가온 것은 로지의 딸 그레이스.
I want to know what happened to Rosie Duff.
I don't know what happened to her.
Liar!
I honestly don't.
You killed my mother.
But I didn't kill
I
your
said
mother.
stay there!
I loved her. But I didn't kill her.
알렉스를 범인으로 믿고 진실을 말하라며 압박하던 그녀는
There was so much I didn't know. You really do look like her.
I said no!
결국 알렉스를 쏘고 그의 아이까지 납치하고 맙니다.
If Lawson really cared about the case, why didn't he reopen it until now?
이제는 로슨마저 믿을 수 없는 상황.
It's found on fiberglass boat hulls, barges, motorhomes, and caravans.
로지의 가디건에서 발견된 얼룩이 카라반에서 나온 것일 가능성.
But how do I investigate it? I can't question him. I have to find it. Lochleven.
Lochleven. I get away there fishing.
There's loads of pictures of them on holiday there. Mint.
I couldn't get hold of this old lady.
BMW 소유주를 찾던 민트.
And she lived in St Andrews at the time, and she was telling me
that her son was a copper.
You'll never guess who her son is.
James Lawson.
로슨의 어머니가 그 차량을 가지고 있었다는 정보까지 듣자
We can't do this.
정말로 로슨을 의심할 수밖에 없었는데
He's a chief super.
If you're not going to drive us, then give me the keys, Jason.
카렌과 민트의 커리어를 건 수사가 시작되고
Hi! We need your help! Okay, yes. We're looking for an old caravan used for fishing.
There's one that's been here for years.
Is that it?
This is your stop.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
로슨의 것으로 추정되는 카라반을 찾아내는데
You're not gonna. You can't just scrape the paint off. We don't even know if it's his.
How are we going to know if it's his if we don't scrape the paint off?
We should call forensics.
We can't. Mint.
Well, I guess we have to jimmy a window.
카라반 안쪽은 깔끔하게 정리되어 있었고
Would you have primer under wallpaper?
카렌은 천천히 이곳에서 있었을 일을 상상해보죠.
There's waterproofing the door. Normally, you could avoid wet paint like that. Not when you're carrying a body. Lawson killed Rosie.
한편
Yes, Barhaka. Okay. Right. Alright, what's the plate?
남편과 아이가 사라졌다는 아내의 신고로 알렉스를 찾는 수색이 시작되고
Call an ambulance.
다행히 아직 살아있는 알렉스를 발견하지만
Who did this to you?
아이는 그레이스와 함께 사라진 상황.
Hello?
What, Rosie's daughter has taken Alex's kid?
She lives in a big farm up in the middle of nowhere.
Send you the address and meet me there.
소식을 들은 카렌도 급히 그레이스의 집으로 향하고
Make sure news of this gets back to Lawson.
Sarge!
카렌은 홀로 집안에 들어가 보는데
Don't move.
Close the door. Where's the baby, Grace?
Reception, how can I help you?
I need DCS Lawson's office. No, it's DS Penny.
I need to know the baby's safe.
I know I'm going down for this.
이미 자포자기한 심정인 그레이스는 쉽게 포기할 것 같지 않았고
She was seeing one of them. Alex.
The one you let go.
She liked him. That's his baby you've got somewhere in this house. Show me the child, and I'll tell you.
로지의 이야기를 해주며 그녀를 설득한 카렌은 아이의 안전을 먼저 확인하려 하죠.
Stop. You and the other officers need to stay back.
다행히 아이는 상처 없이 무사했고
Now tell me, we made a deal.
차분하게 새롭게 알아낸 것들을 말해주는 카렌.
We know she went to a party to walk back to the pub where she was meeting her brothers. She was offered a lift from someone she knew. I believe it was a police officer. There was a caravan on the site that he was living in.
Who is he?
I'm gonna go and arrest your mother's murderer.
그녀는 이성을 잃은 그레이스에게서 무사히 아기를 구하고
We can do this together.
No!
로지 사건의 진짜 범인도 체포할 수 있을까요?
You want answers, Grace? We have one chance.
오늘 소개해드린 작품은 스코틀랜드 드라마 카렌 피리입니다. 젊은 여영사 카렌 피리가 25년 전 발생한 미제 사건을 추적하면서 진실을 밝혀내는 이야기를 담고 있는 작품인데 인터넷 방송을 통해 사건이 재조명되고 SNS에 용의자들의 신상이 공개되는 등 현대적이면서 현실적인 흐름이 인상적이었습니다. 과거와 현재를 오가며 그날의 진실이 서서히 드러나는 연출과 사건의 후유증으로 괴로워하는 인물들의 현재 모습으로 시청자가 함께 범인을 추측하게 하는 흡입력도 갖춘 작품입니다. 긴장을 놓을 수 없는 묵직한 미스터리나 미제 사건을 쫓는 추리 드라마를 좋아하신다면 카렌 피리를 꼭 감상해 보시길 바랍니다. 그럼 저는 다음에 또 재밌는 콘텐츠 소개로 돌아오도록 하겠습니다. 이상 어바웃 타임이었습니다.